Most property investors are buying the wrong type of property and losing thousands every year because of it. And the reason? It makes most advisors less money to tell you the truth. I'm Rod, the General Manager at Hudson Invest, and today we're covering three areas where new builds and established properties are fundamentally different: stamp duty, depreciation, and maintenance costs. Most people know stamp duty exists. Very few understand just how different it is between a new build and an established property. When you buy an established property at $700,000, you pay stamp duty on the full $700,000. In Queensland, that's roughly $24,525. When you buy a new build, a house and land package, you pay stamp duty only on the land component, just the land. If that same $700,000 package has a land value of $280,000, you're paying stamp duty on $280,000. In Queensland, that's approximately $8,075. That's a saving of $15K before you've done anything else, before a single tenant has walked through the door. That $15K sitting in your offset account reduces your loan balance, reduces your daily interest, and compounds in your favor for the life of the loan. This next one is where new build investors quietly pick up thousands. Depreciation. If you're not using it, you're overpaying in tax. The ATO allows investors to claim a deduction for wear and tear on a building and its fixtures over time. On a brand new build, everything is at full depreciation value from day one. A typical new 4-bedroom in a Queensland growth corridor can generate $8,000 to $12,000 in depreciation deductions in year one alone. On a 20-year-old established, you might get $1,000, $2,000. The building is already depreciated in the eyes of the ATO. There's very little left to claim. If you're on a 37% marginal tax rate, which is where a lot of dual income households sit, a $10,000 depreciation deduction puts $3.7K back in your tax return. Real money, not theoretical. And it doesn't require you to spend a cent. Year one, year two, year three, it stacks. Over a 10-year hold, the cumulative gap can reach $30,000 to $50,000 in additional deductions. That's a deposit on your next property. Now let's talk about the cost nobody loves to discuss, the ones that eat your yield up. Maintenance, repairs, vacancy rates. Realistically, a 10-year cost model for a standard established property is about $20,000 to $35,000 over a decade, and that's not including major capital works. On a new build, builder's warranty covers structural defects for up to 6 years. Fixtures and fittings come with manufacturer warranties. Your maintenance exposure for the first decade is roughly $3,000 to $6,000. That's a $15K to $25,000 saving, running quietly in the background, parallel to everything else we've covered. Stamp duty, $15K, saved on day one. Depreciation, up to $12,000 back at tax time every year. Maintenance, $20 to $30 less over the decade. And we haven't even touched rental yield or builder direct pricing yet. That's part two. If you want to run these numbers on your actual income and borrowing capacity, book a free strategy session with our team. The link is in the description. Margin